Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating the environment and grabbing dependencies. First, confirm the Python version so you know which syntax and libraries apply. Then create and activate a virtual environment to isolate changes. This prevents dependency conflicts. Next, install necessary packages from requirements or add the specific library you need and run a quick import test. Once done, run a minimal script or unit test to verify imports succeed, and the interpreter behaves as expected. You reproduce the issue with the smallest possible example to isolate causes. This reduces noisy variables. Then attach a debugger or sprinkle targeted prints to inspect state, types, and intermediate values. PDB or your IDE helps step through control flow. Once you see the root cause, implement a focused fix and add tests for regression, making sure edge cases and invalid inputs are handled. Run the full test suite and linting, and confirm performance remains acceptable after the change. You finalize by refactoring the fix for readability and adding unit tests and documentation so the change is maintainable. Next, push to a branch and let continuous integration run tests across target Python versions and platforms to catch regressions. Make sure to include commit messages explaining the why. If something breaks after deployment, bisect to find the offending commit or revert, then run the minimal failing example locally. Key tip: when stuck, ask for a focused code review with the minimal reproduction included.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.